Hey there everybody, so we are going to do an emissions test on our truck as per California emissions and everything. And so he's plugging into our truck. Shouldn't take very long at all, right?
Well, the first download is going to be just so it can tell me who you are and what the truck is, and then the second one after we go through that, well then I'll do the admissions.
Nice.
So I'll have to actually hook up to it twice.
Gotcha. How long does the test usually take?
The test itself takes approximately 2 minutes. The state says that they give me anywhere from 5 minutes to 4 hours to give me the results. Typically, I have them in about 10 minutes.
I gotcha.
So
I should have turned the stereo down.
So what I'm doing now is just plugging into your truck. It's going to tell me the VIN number. It's going to tell me all the particulars about if there's any codes or anything.
Nice.
Okay, as far as your ELD, yeah. Unfortunately, your BD port is loose, so I'm having to hold it to keep it connected.
Interesting.
Yeah, so that's why because if it even falls even just a little bit, it disconnects and then it pisses the computer off. So
right. So one of the questions that they had asked was, did we have any engine codes, and did we have any engine codes in the last 5 drive cycles? So a drive cycle is approximately 10 hours long, 11 hours. So is that it?
That's it.
Wow. You didn't even have to rev it up and all that bit.
No.
Cool.
The only time you have to rev it up is if you're doing a smoke test on it.
Oh, I gotcha.
Pre-2013.
Gotcha. Yep. Okay.
Okay, so we'll give it time to percolate. I got to take pictures of your truck real quick. We'll leave you with those since we're leaving the truck.
So now we're just waiting on the results, right?
Correct.
Okay.
I've got to format the rest of the pictures over to her in the cases she's opening.
Yep. Okay.
I'm putting pictures in right now.
So she'll get the results? Nope,
Nope.
you'll get the results. Nice.
Yep.
It passed.
Good job.
Fantastic. Fantastic. It passed. So do we get a printout, readout?
Not a thing.
Okay.
That's the fallacy of their system. They are working on that. I think she can give you a screenshot of it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I remember somebody saying that. Yeah.
It should go directly to California.
And then you guys can actually create your own login and everything so you can see.
Oh, right.
have it also.
On that website.
Correct.
Yeah. I guess we can just get on the website then and...
Yeah, you should be probably have a login for
Okay.
them.
Just 'cause...
And then I think it will send you a notification when the CARB test is ready. Are you guys tax exempt?
We are.
Okay.
Yeah. Tax exempt.
Yeah.
I'll give you an invoice stating that the test was performed.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. It's not going to say pass though or anything.
I'll say it.
You will say.
I'll say it.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that'll work.
Can you sign that for me?
Okay.
Well, it was nice meeting you folks.
Yeah. It's nice meeting you as well.